Okay, for all of my creator friends out there, if you're looking to earn a little extra money this holiday season with just a few clicks, this video is for you. It's so easy to boost your earnings this holiday season with YouTube shopping. Some merchants even have higher commission rates during the holidays, up to 50%. And you may earn even more money with the YouTube shopping bonus program, which is set to run from now until the end of the year. You can find the program terms in the YouTube Help Center. Whether you're a seasoned creator or you're just starting out, YouTube shopping is a great way to increase your income, especially around the holidays. With YouTube shopping, you just easily share products from your favorite brands. There's tons of popular brands like Lowe's, Sephora, Wayfair, and then you earn a great commission from just sharing products that you love. This year, YouTube Shopping is offering an incredible holiday 2024 program with bonus opportunities, and some brands even have elevated commissions like BK Beauty. If you click the link in my description box, you'll be able to check out the brands that are currently offering increased holiday commissions and learn more about the YouTube Shopping program. So when you share your favorite products in your videos, not only will you earn commissions, but you can also reach bonus tiers that will increase your earnings even more. Joining the program is super easy. You just sign up, link your favorite products, and you're all set. This is all about sharing your favorite products that you love with your audience while earning a little extra holiday income. I've found that it blends perfectly with holiday content because you can share your gift guides, decorate for the holidays, and share those favorite products within those videos. So if you're looking to make this the most rewarding holiday season yet, be sure to check the link in my description box for all the details. This is such an easy way to start earning some extra money. Now let's make this season amazing for us and for our audiences.